day everyone. I am Melody Sedanto from BSAIT 3-3 and I will be presenting a bigger friendly tutorial about bitwise operators in Python. So this presentation aims to help viewers understand what bitwise operators are, how they work, and then where they are used in real-world programming. So even you are new in Python, this video will guide you step by step using simple explanation and example. So let's begin. So, introduction, what is bitwise operators? This is the special operators in Python that work directly with binary numbers or with what we call bits. That's it's 0 and 1. So, what is the topics covered? So, we have the definition of bitwise operators, types of bitwise operators also, and code demonstrations. Yes, we do that. And then advantages and disadvantages of using bitwise operators and also real-world application. So what is bitwise operators? So perform operations on the binary representation of integers. Computer store using binary digits which is 0 and 1. So example, we have the 5. So equivalent to 0, 1, 0, 1. And then we have the 3 equivalent to 0, 0, 1, 1. So these operators manipulate individual bits. So instead of working the whole number like addition or subtraction, bitwise operator manipulate individual bits which either 0 or 1. So in this tutorial, I will discuss definition bitwise, their different types, how they work through, and then the Python demonstration, their advantages and disadvantages. So what is the types of operators? So we have the 6 main bitwise operators. The first one is bitwise and bitwise OR. This is we use the line, and then bitwise XOR, bitwise NOT, left shift and right shift. So these operators will demonstrate how they work and using simple Pythons. So when we use bitwise AND, returns only 1 only if both bits are 1. So example, we have A equivalent to 5, which is 0, 1, 0, 1. And then B is equivalent to 3, so 0, 0, 1. So the result is A and B equals to 1. So let's do this. So we have here, I declare the 5 and the 3. Let's use the example. So I have the code here. If we use A equivalent to A and B, so we declare the A 5 and 3. So let's run. So the binary representation of this is uh, 0B 011 and then 0B 011. So if we apply the operator AND, bitwise operator AND, let's run again. So the bitwise AND, do this. So the bitwise AND, A and B equals to 1. So it compares the two numbers, returns 1 only if both bits are 1. So when we apply the AND operator to numbers 5 and 3, the result is 1. So this happened because only one pair of bits matches as 1 in both numbers. So the bitwise OR is represented by the vertical bar symbol, which is return 1 if at least one bit is 1. For example, the 5 and 3 again, A and B equals to 7. So I have here the OR. And then the bitwise or is A vertical B or A or B equals to 7. Uh, because the or the vertical symbol of OR operator checks all bit position and set the bit to 1 whenever at least one bit is 1. So the bitwise XOR, it returns 1 if the bits are different. So let's do this. We applied 5 and 3. So let's run. Yes, the bitwise XOR A is XOR equals to 6. So why 6? The NOT operator, on the other hand, inverts or flips all the bits of number. So that's why applying the NOT operator to 5 result is negative 6 in Python. So the bitwise NOT flips or inverts all the of the number. So example, the NOT pares lang po ito sa may note or. So equivalent is negative 6. So let's proceed to the shift operators. So we have the left shift, which is bits moved to the left. For example, 5 equal to 5 is 10. Yeah. So let's run the code. So left shift is A left shift 1 is equal to 10. So y is equal to 10. So the left shift operator bit to the left and effectively multiplies the number by 2's. So for example, 5 left shifted by 1 comes to 10. So when we use the right shift, move bits to the right also. So let's see what is that. Okay. So the right shift is A is right shift 1 is equals to 2. So it moves to the right and divides the number by 2. So the 5 right shift by 1 becomes to 2. So that's it. So what is the advantages of using bitwise operators? So we have fast and efficient, yes. Useful for low-level programming, helps optimize performance, and efficient data manipulation. So if we have this advantages, we have the disadvantages. So the real-world application, um, bitwise operator are used in encryption and cryptography, network programming, data compression, graphics and game development, and embedded system. However, operators can be the disadvantages is can be difficult for beginners to understand and may reduce code readability if not used properly. So the conclusion of this, uh, bitwise operators can manipulate data at the binary level, and also Python provides 6 operators that help programmers perform efficient low-level operators and operations. So the last is understanding this improves knowledge of how computers process information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you to understand bitwise operator in Python. Hi.